We all talk about self-esteem, but do we really know what is self-esteem? We really know what exactly means? Okay, here is what I find out. Self-esteem is the emotional appraisal of our own worth. Let me say it one more time. Self-esteem is the emotional appraisal of our own worth. Yeah, I didn't get that. Hi, my name is Gisela, and I am a certified Reiki Master and Crystal Reiki. And today I will show you how to incorporate crystal to increase your self-esteem in your day-to-day routine. Stay tuned. Let's have a clear understanding that what is self-esteem. Self-esteem is how we perceive ourselves to be able to achieve things. Also can be how we feel about ourselves, how we think about ourselves. In other words, what relationship we have with ourselves. So that gives us a better picture of what is self-esteem and where we at. And I prepared another list with few points that can give us a sense, that how self-esteem good standing is. So we can see where we at. They don't fear to new projects, they don't fear rejection, they don't think that failure is a setback, they feel like it's a learning experience. They don't feel that things happen to us, they think they happen for us. They don't take things personally. So I think with this list, it will help us to have a big picture of where we are. So now, let's bring the crystals to see how they can support us. Let's dive in. Let's begin. Imperial Topaz, or also Golden Topaz. It promotes mental energy that is good for thoughts, ideas, and creativity. Also teaches the importance of boundaries and assists us in maintaining personal levels of energy and release blockage of manifestation. Next crystal, Citrine. Citrine will help you to make choices, to take decisions, and also help you in problem resolving. Also help you with self-awareness and increase self-confidence. Also control unwanted emotions and balancing energies. Promotes relationships and eliminate emotional toxins. Also, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, like, and drop a comment. I would love to hear all about your insights about this video. Next crystal, honey calcite. Honey calcite boosts mental energy, creativity, and ideas. Also banishing self-limiting belief. Aids to calm communication, reducing arguments, and it helps you with past life recalls. Next crystal, tiger eye. Tiger eye dispels inhibition, intolerance, introversion, fears, prejudice, and negativity, creating control within the chaos. Also, eliminate worries and depressions and encourages in new beginnings, that leading to success and wealth. Next crystal, amber. Amber allows you to intellectual works, which means it helps you for a decision making. It's good for your mind, help you to remove emotional blocks and negativity, and also help you to recognize and fulfill your dreams, goals, and ideals.